here's how we can power off your OPPO Reno 15 without touching the screen. So it seems that if you force restart the phone, it doesn't actually force restart, but it shuts down completely. So you can try to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. And you want to keep holding these two buttons until the screen shuts down. So it's gonna take like 10 seconds or so in order to force shut down the phone. And there we go. Once the screen turns off, you can just release both buttons, and there's a chance that the phone will not turn itself back on unless you just press and hold volume down button. In my case, it does not turn back on, even though usually it is a restart in order to instead of shutdown, I mean, on other devices. In this case, it seems that it is the force shutdown. Now, in case it actually restarts in your case, then what you will have to do is you will need to go to the recovery mode. So in this case, I'm gonna use the power button in order to turn on the phone, and I'm gonna also hold the volume down button as well. So I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons, and in your case, if you happen to restart or something, then you will just have to hold the volume down instead once the screen shuts down. So this allows you to open the recovery mode. First we have the language selection, and what you can do is you can use volume buttons in order to navigate on this phone. You can also use the touchscreen if it works, but if it's like broken or something, you cannot use the touchscreen, then you can use the volume buttons. So we're gonna select English over here and confirm with the power button, then go to the power off option and confirm with the power button over here, just like that. And if you see the confirmation, press the volume down once and then power button, and this will shut down the phone as well. Now I'm gonna turn the phone back on in order to see if we go back to the recovery mode the next time, because it is possible, but most likely no. Most likely you will go back to the normal mode. So if that happens, that is completely fine. In case you go to the recovery mode, then you will have to choose the reboot device option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.